Okay, so this is all my collection of sonic screwdrivers. Um, I've got all of them from the very first one used by Patrick Troughton to the last one used by Ncuti Gatwa. I mean, there might be just one or two that I'm missing, like say the Sonic lipstick that that I'm not gonna get. I'm gonna leave that one out. So, for starters, got this one by uh, replica, if you want, of the one by Patrick Troughton. This one only has a light, kind of like a pen thing. And this one by the third Doctor, I think that was Jon Pertwee. This one does have sounds. And this is a chrome version of the other one, quite similar. The sounds are slightly different. Yeah. This chrome almost makes it look metal, which is pretty cool. And so on. And we have the Sonic Lance, used I guess only sometimes by Colin Baker. This one also has a sun and light. Not sure if you can actually hear that, but not sure if this one was 3D printed. I'm not sure. Next one. All my Sonics do have sounds. Others have both sound and light. But yeah, all of them, apart from the very first one, they've got sound. That other sound, I call that one the scanning sound. And we have this one with the white ring around it. Also, now that last sound, I call that one the malfunctioning sound. Even though it does work fine. And then we have this one, This one works with a button. Yeah, all these are plastic toys. Some of them are metal. I am going to get to those, but these are plastic toys. This one is the Dark Eye Sonic. This one only has a light. As you can see, there's a light. I did order this and a metal version of it, but I had sort of ordered this one while I was waiting to receive the metal one. Again, this one only has light. And this is the Dark Eye Sonic metal, although it's not all metal. Like these brown parts, they're wood. Top part is plastic. I guess that's plastic. The main body is metal. Those little half rings here are metal, and that does have both sound and light. Not sure you can hear it there. And then here we get to this one. Again, that one is just a plastic toy. Does have both sound and light. And it extends. Now this one is a metal one by Neue. It does extend, only it doesn't have the slider thing. You have to put it out yourself. It does have sound, only one sound though. Yeah, this one was by Neue. Again, the plastic toy, different colour with the slider. Has both sound and light. When it wants to work. Bit weird that. Interesting. And this one, again, different colour with the slider. Now this is the Masters laser screwdriver. Does have both sound and light. This one you have to unscrew the bottom. There's a switch at the bottom here. The on-off switch. it does extend. There you go. The sounds still work. Again, this was also by Neue, all metal, completely metal. A little bit of weight on this one. I do know that it does have an on-off switch, so the battery doesn't get used too much. And then we have Riversong's Futuresonic. Also has sound and light. This one has two settings, so there's a red light and a blue light. That's the blue light. You have to take the back of it here. And yep. Press this once. And here we got the red light. And where's this? The battery panel to see how much battery you have left. That's pretty cool. Until it goes off. Press it once. Back to blue. And put it back on. Let's see. Nah. Now this one, also the Riversong's Futuresonic. This one was 3D printed by someone in America. Got it from Etsy. Only took 2 weeks to get to me from America down to here in the UK. Also has sound and light. This one you just have to flick a switch here. And now we have pretty cool. And back to blue. This one, this panel doesn't come off, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, that is 3D printed. And here, that's the War Doctor's Sonic. Now, someone on a video I've seen says that this top or bottom end here looks like a fez. Yeah, I'm not really sure about that. What do you guys think? Do you think it looks like a fez? Not really sure. And then here, this is Matt Smith's Sonic. This one is also metal. Well, this part here, that's plastic. And probably this as well. But most of it is metal. This one also has an on-off switch right here at the bottom. Switch it on. Yeah, let's just switch it on. There. Let's get this right. Extends as well, of course. again by Neuer. So this one I did buy it on the TikTok shop, but yeah, it was made by Neuer. This is the the Sonic Spork, spoon fork, spork. Obviously no light or sound, nothing. Then we have the chrome of Peter Capaldi's Sonic. Also has sound and light. All chrome, looks very good. Now this is the metal version of it. Also sound and light. It's a bit difficult to... It does do all the sounds and lights. I have done it before. Yeah, all metal. Or most of it, I think, yeah. Again, I think that was by Neuer as well. And then Peter Capaldi had his Sonic glasses, just plain sunglasses. That was Jodie Whittaker's Sonic. That's just a plastic toy. Again, that third sound, I call it the malfunctioning sound. The malfunctioning sound. Yeah, pretty cool. And then we got Tennant's Sonic. With all the sounds. Looks pretty good. And then we have the gold version of it, which I think looks pretty cool as well. Possibly from... Now, where did I get that? From Character Options, possibly? Now there are some secret sounds and different colour. No, sorry. Different secret colour that the light can change green, possibly red. If you unscrew the bottom, there's a switch there, and you have to press it, I think it's 15 times. And then the light turns red or green. I'm not going to show that. But yeah, you have to unscrew the bottom. Well, there you go. There's a button somewhere there. Yeah, I didn't change the colour there. But yeah, that's pretty good. And then we have Shooty Gadwas Sonic with the crystal there. This one is the Chrome version with all the sounds. And then a sort of a scanning sound here. You can press that, it makes a sound as well. That one was by Character Options. And then there's the red version. Again by Character Options. Same sounds. Don't know if you can actually hear those. Okay. And this scanning sound. And again with this. Pretty cool. And close. So yeah, I got most of my Sonics on eBay. Some of them on Character Options. The metal ones by Noya. As I said, there was one of them that I got on the TikTok shop. But yeah, it was done by Noya. Yeah, it's mostly eBay, Character Options, Noya. One of them was by an American guy on Etsy. The Dark Eye Sonic. The one with both sound and light, the metal one, that was by an American guy on Etsy. Now that one actually took 3 months to get to me. I was quite surprised. And I had to pay customs charge as well. Oh, just a sec.